Hi guys, I'm Jackie Court. I am the founder of She2.0, and I am so excited to share the launch of the She2.0 Comfort Kits with you today. Finally, after a year of sourcing products that are Canadian made and designed specifically with our menopause and perimenopausal needs in mind, we have curated two boxes I think you're really going to be excited about. The first kit that I am very passionate about is the In a Flash kit. This kit was designed based on many conversations with women who have gone through post-surgical, post-treatment menopause, who find themselves left in the lurch once they are completing treatments. They aren't really sure what menopause is. They don't really understand what the symptoms are. This can lead to a lot of confusion and anxiety because the symptoms can be mistaken, possibly for recurrence of an illness or complication due to a surgery. So these products are carefully curated with the specific needs in mind of women who do go through these treatments. We know that their experiences are different than women who go through natural menopause, and there might be more sensitivities. So we were careful to look at products that would help them with this without providing any complication or any safety concerns. It makes a really great gift for friends and family and colleagues who are trying to support a loved one or friend who is going through this and they don't know what to do. These products are going to help with that. Plus, it gives information that will help guide them through it. We've got a list of great resources for them so that they don't feel so alone and they have a place to go with all of their questions. The kit comes with great products, and we believe all of them are going to be beneficial. But if you want to add more to customize the kit, please visit our great list of add-ons where you can add individual products in that will be calculated at the checkout. We also have greeting cards. So please don't forget to leave your personalized message to your colleague or friend or loved one, and we will include it in the card, which will go in the kit. Our second kit is our Hey Hot Stuff kit, and that's for women who go through natural menopause. These products are Canadian made and they're high quality. And again, they are designed specifically with women's needs in mind once they hit perimenopause and beyond. So you're not going to find a mug in here that says, I like my coffee hot, like my flashes. No, our products are specifically selected to help alleviate symptoms. And you'll find great resources in here to help guide yourself or a friend through some of these challenging times. You'll see great places to go to get answers to your question. There's always the She 2.0 podcast. As well, if you want to add some products to your kit to customize it, simply choose your add-on and it will be calculated at the checkout. This kit also comes with a customized greeting card. So if you're buying this for someone else, don't forget to leave your message. We'll add it to the card and it will be included in the kit. If the box is for you, just keep the card. It'll come in handy. While these kits are for Canadian residents only, we want our friends in the US to know that in the fall of 2023, we will be shipping to the US. So hang tight. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and contact me. Otherwise, what are you waiting for? Get your comfort kit.